Hi guys, welcome to Chefika's kitchen. My name is Nestle and in today's episode I will be making tahini cookies. And here are the ingredients. What we will need is some flour, soft butter, plain yogurt, oil, baking powder and 1 egg yolk. First, I will take my soft butter, put it in my stand mixer, give it a quick stir. Then I will put the rest of my liquids in it. My egg yolk, my yogurt, and my oil. Now we will mix them together. Now I start to add my flour in it. Also my baking powder. And let everything good combine. After everything is good combined, I take my dough, roll it to a ball, and wrap it in a piece of plastic wrap. My dough is now ready to go in the fridge for 30 minutes. During our dough is in the fridge, we can prepare our tahini filling. Here are the ingredients. We will need some tahini, sugar and almond flour. First, I take my almond flour and my sugar, give it in my mixing bowl, and now I add my tahini. Mix everything good together. This is my filling after everything is good combined. My dough did now rest for 30 minutes. Now I will cut my dough in 3 pieces. Here I have a piece of plastic wrap. I'm gonna put my dough on it, roll my dough to a log, slightly push on it. Then I'm gonna take another piece of plastic wrap, put it on top and roll it with my rolling pin to a long rectangular. After I did that, I take my plastic wrap off, take my filling, put it right in the middle, after that, I take my plastic wrap and wrap my dough over my filling. The other side too. and try to close the edges. Then I turn this side down. Take my cutter, I have here a crinkle cutter, and cut my cookies. And then I'm gonna take them over to my baking sheet. I will do the same thing with all of my dough. My cookies are now ready to bake. I will bake them at 350 degrees until they get golden brown. My cookies are now baked. I did move them over to a cooling rack. I like to serve my cookies with powdered sugar on top. And these are my tahini filled cookies. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you next time.